Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my monthly cleaning routine. So I'm going to show you a few things that I clean on a monthly basis, but there are more than this. So if you would like to see a part 2, give this video a big thumbs up. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so my first monthly task is to deep clean the shutters. As you'll know, I've got shutters in most of the rooms in our house. So I like to deep clean these once a month with some water and some Zoflora. So I'm just using some warm water and a capful of Zoflora and a microfiber cloth. I also have another microfiber cloth to use, and that's just to dry them down after I've wet them and cleaned them thoroughly. I'm just in my office now and I'm going to give the shutters a good clean. So I'm giving them a clean on the inside and the outside because otherwise they can just collect dust everywhere. I'm also cleaning inside the window frame as well, like the windowsill, and then I'm going to dry them as well at the same time just to prevent any kind of marks and watermarks. I do get quite a few questions on if we're happy with our shutters and, you know, if they are blackout, etc. I have to say these are one of the best purchases we've made for our house. I'm so happy with them. They look beautiful. They are easy to keep clean, although they are a little bit more upkeep, I guess, than curtains, but I absolutely adore them. They are very dark. They do, like, you know, black out the room, although on Renzo's side of the room it is south facing, so I have to say on a sunny day it's not completely dark, but it's really good. When cleaning the shutters as well, especially in the living room, I like to open them up completely and clean behind the shutter fitting, so where they've been fitted, because dust can get collected there and it gets a little bit dirty, as you can see here. So I'm just going to wipe all of that down and dry it as well, and while I'm here I'm also going to clean the windows on the inside because again it can get a little bit dusty and dirty, so I'm just giving those a good clean. Now I'm just going to clean the windowsill. This is something that I do on a weekly basis anyway, but because I've been cleaning the shutters, it's got a bit dusty. So I'm giving that a clean and any of the ornaments that go on top of it, and then putting them all back. And that is basically the shutters done. I've done everywhere upstairs, but I thought it'd be a little bit boring if I showed you every shutter in the house. So I've just showed you these 2 rooms for today. So let's move up into my bedroom. So basically every 1.5 to 2 weeks I will change all of the bed linen in the house, and today I am also due a mattress cleaning session. So I like to clean the mattress once a month in all bedrooms, and I have a mattress cleaning routine which I've actually filmed and I've uploaded for you. So I'll leave a link down below for you so you can go check that out, because that's a real in-depth video on how I clean my mattress. But I wanted to show you today me cleaning the mattress, stripping the bed and remaking the bed, so you can just see a little glimpse into how I do that. I'm just hoovering the bed just to get rid of any dust and grime, and I'm also going to hoover the top of the headboard as well, because actually dust really gathers at the top of the headboard, and you'll be surprised how much is actually there if you don't clean it that often. So when you go to bed tonight, check the dust at the top of your headboard and see how bad it is, because I'm always so surprised to see how much dust is there. So maybe I should change this and do this weekly, because the dust really does gather. I'm now going to spray the mattress with some Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray. Guys, I literally use this stuff everywhere. This is a linen scent and oh my god, it smells so good. So if you need to buy some new cleaning products, I would definitely recommend that. Also, if you would like to see like a favourite cleaning products video, let me know, give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment so I know to film it for you.
reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without.
Okay, so that is the bedroom now done, and there will be a bedroom tour coming very, very soon. I'm just waiting for a couple of final pieces, but I'm really excited to show you the final room tour. Okay, so the next monthly task is to deep clean the bin. This is just to stop it from having any horrible smells in it. So I'm just changing it here, and then I'm going to spray it down and give it a good wipe down.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe.
I tend to use either Method spray or this 7th generation spray. 7th generation are all natural products, so I like those, and yeah, it just cleans everything really, really nicely. So the bin lid always gets a little bit dirty, especially with the boys putting yogurts and things in there, so I'm just going to give it a good wipe down and a clean.
Wake up. I don't want to wake up. Don't want to wake up without you, baby, without.
And then once the bin is all dry, I'm just going to use this Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray and spray it all down. I spray this everywhere that you see a bin, so all over the surface, all of the front, all inside the bin, everywhere. And then I'm putting in a new bin liner, and that is basically how I deep clean the bin.
I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without.
Next, I'm just cleaning all things where you would have points of contact. So anything like handles, door handles, these are my fridge and cupboard handles that I'm cleaning here, for instance. And I'm also cleaning things like my laptop, just because these are things that I don't always think to clean, but they do need cleaning as well. So I'm cleaning these. I'm also cleaning the remotes, because the boys hold the remotes as well. And you know, they get their fingers all over them, so I'm just making sure that is all nice and clean, and going over any other things like light switches and things like that, things that you wouldn't really think to clean but should be cleaned because, you know, we're touching them daily.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. Looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough.
Okay, so my final task this month is to sort the sofa out. So I'm taking all of the cushions off, all of the pillows and things, and then I'm going to take all of the throws off, and then I'm going to take everything else off. So you see the big cushions there that we actually sit on, they are coming off, and I'm going to give it all a good hoover. So I've got my little attachment on my shark hoover, so my handheld hoover, and I'm just going to hoover everything, because as you'll see, there are quite a few crumbs there, and we don't even really eat in here very much, although there was a little bounty sweet which you could see that's fallen down the side of the sofa. But yeah, we don't eat in here very often, although as you can see there are a few little crumbs and things under there. So I'm just going to hoover that all away and plump the cushions up and put them all back. I'm also going to hoover the top of the cushions as well, and underneath the cushions, just to make sure there's no crumbs or dust on those as well.
You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without, I wouldn't know what to do.
Okay guys, so that is the end of my monthly cleaning routine. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.